Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. Today in this video, we are going to see how to send WhatsApp messages to Facebook leads for electronic system design and manufacturing. So I own a ESDM business, and to market my business, I use Facebook lead ads. And here my objective is that whenever a new lead is received through Facebook lead ads, I want to send a message to that particular lead automatically. For that, I'm simply going to create a connection between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp Cloud API. Pabbly Connect works on two principles. First is trigger and second is action. Here my trigger application is Facebook lead ads and my action application is WhatsApp Cloud API. To learn how to do this, let me take you to my screen. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send WhatsApp message to your newly generated Facebook leads. So I have a ESDM business, and to promote my business, I am running an ad campaign on my Facebook page, and I've also created a lead gen form by using Facebook lead ads. And now I want that whenever a new lead is generated by submitting the form, automatically to that lead a WhatsApp message should be sent. And for that, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which will help me to automate this entire process. Now, to begin with the process, we are first going to search for Pabbly Connect. And as we do that, here we have reached the landing page of this software. On my right hand side, you can see two options over here, sign in and sign up free. If you are an existing user, then simply click on sign in. But if you're a new user, then please click on this tab sign up free. It won't take more than 2 minutes, and yes, you will also get 100 free tasks every month. So I am simply going to click on sign in as I am an existing user. And here we have reached all Pabbly application page. Now let's click on access now for Pabbly Connect. And here we have reached the dashboard of this application. And if you want to create a new folder, then simply click on this icon and create a new folder. As I want to create a new folder for my new workflow, then I'm simply going to click on this. And here a dialog box has appeared which is asking us to name the folder. So I am going to name my folder as Facebook Leads to WhatsApp. Now let's click on create. And as you can see over here, we have successfully created a folder named as Facebook Leads to WhatsApp. Now again on my right hand side, you can see a tab named as create workflow. Let's click on this, and again a dialog box has appeared which is asking us to name the workflow. So I'm going to name my workflow as send WhatsApp messages to Facebook leads for electronics, system design and manufacturing business. And as you can see over here, I have selected the folder named as Facebook Leads to WhatsApp. By clicking on this drop down over here, you will find all the folders which you have created earlier. Now let's click on create. So as I do that, here we have reached another window which has got us to extremely important events. First is trigger and second is action. Trigger is when this happens and action is do this. Basically, action here is the response of a trigger application. Now my trigger application is going to be Facebook lead ads. Let's click on this. And now we need to select our trigger event. This is the event which will make your workflow start. Let's click on this, and here you will find two options, new lead instant and new lead. I'm simply going to select new lead instant, and it says triggers when a new lead is submitted in specified lead gen form associated to your Facebook page. Let's select this. After that, click on connect. And now to connect our Facebook lead ads account with our Pabbly Connect account, we need to set up a connection. And for that, I'm simply going to select add new connection. But if you have an existing connection, please select existing connection. After that, click on connect with Facebook lead ads and then select your account. And we have successfully connected our Facebook lead ads account with our Pabbly Connect account. Now we have to select our page, and it says please select a Facebook page. If you don't see your page listed, access your account settings to confirm that the connected account has correct manage page permissions, and then reconnect your account. Let's click on this, and I have named my Facebook page as Easy Tech. So as I have selected a Facebook page, now we need to select a lead gen form. This is the form which we use to generate our leads, and it says select lead ads form here. Please ensure that your lead ads form is live, else you might not receive the lead data correctly. Let's click on this, and I have named my lead ads form as Facebook lead ads form. And as you can see over here, there is an important note. Please note that after clicking on the Save and Send Test button, you will need to generate sample submission of your lead ads form by clicking on the Preview Form button and filling out the form. Make sure that the lead generation form is live before making the sample submission. Which means after clicking on the Save and Send Test Request button, we need to generate a sample submission or a test submission. Now let's click on save and send test request. And now it says waiting for webhook response. And there is a note again. Now log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do a test submission or record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. And for that we are going to search for Meta for Developers. After searching for Meta for Developers, click on this first link over here, or you can directly search for developers.facebook.com. I'm going to click on this. And this is Meta for Developers page. Now click on more, and after that go to tools. And then scroll it down and you will find Lead Ads RTO Debug tool. Make sure your API or CRM integration is set up correctly and receiving data. Click on this. And this is Lead Ads Testing Tool. Use this tool to test your API or CRM integration. You can create a test lead to confirm that your integration is set up to receive data correctly. Now to do a test submission, we need to select our page and the form name. Let's do that. Now before clicking on this preview form, let's read this. You can create one lead per form. You will need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. So in order to create a new lead, we need to delete our existing leads. But as of now, I do not have any leads. So I'm simply going to click on this preview form. And this is the form which I have created. So I'm simply going to fill all the dummy details over here. After that, click on next and then submit. Your test lead has been sent. To create a new lead, please delete this one. Now let's go back to our Pabbly Connect account and check whether we have received a response or not. And as you can see over here, we have successfully received a response. Full name is dummy user, email address is dummy@pabblytudes.com, and the phone number is this, which means we have successfully set up our trigger application. Now my action application is going to be WhatsApp Cloud API. Let's click on this. Now we need to select our action event. Let's click on this, and here you will find three options: send template message, send text message, custom API request. I'm simply going to select send template message as I want to send a template message which I have already created. Let's click on this. After that, click on connect. Now to connect our WhatsApp Cloud API account with our Pabbly Connect account, we need to set up a connection. But if you have an existing connection, please select existing connection. Now let's click on add new connection. Now to add new connection, we have to enter all these details: token, phone number ID, and the WhatsApp business account ID. And as I have already set up my WhatsApp Cloud API account through Meta for Developers, now go to API setup in app dashboard. And here you will find all the details which you need to fill up here: token, phone number ID, and the WhatsApp business account ID. Here is the temporary access token. This is the phone number ID, and this is the WhatsApp account ID. I'm simply going to copy all these details from here and I'm going to paste it here. And if you also want to learn how to set up WhatsApp Cloud API account, then check out our related videos. Firstly, I'm going to copy temporary access token. Let's paste it here. After that, phone number ID, and then WhatsApp business account ID. After that, click on save. And here we have successfully connected our WhatsApp Cloud API account with our Pabbly Connect account. And as you can see over here, after connecting our WhatsApp Cloud API account with Pabbly Connect account, the template name, language code, and the selected template ID have been selected automatically. And I have named my template as lead form. Let me show you the template which I have created. And this is the template message which I have created for my leads. Hello, we are always eager to connect with amazing people like you. Whether you are interested in our latest products, exclusive offers, or just want to stay updated with whatever we are up to, we have got you covered. Looking forward to hearing from you soon. Regards, demo user. I've also added this variable over here for name, which is dynamic in nature and will get changed as per the leads will be generated. Now let's go back to our Pabbly Connect account. As template name, language code, and selected template ID have been selected automatically, let's move ahead with the recipient mobile number. We need to enter the recipient mobile number with country code and without the plus sign, for example, like this. So we need to enter the recipient mobile number but without any plus sign. For that, I'm firstly going to enter 91. And then I'm going to map the phone number, which is this. And whatever the details we are mapping will get replaced automatically when this automation will work in real time. After that, we need to enter the body field. For example, this. This template field is required. If you leave this template field as empty, your messages may not be delivered. Let's click on this and map the body field, which is dummy user. So as of now, I have entered the dummy phone number. So I'm going to enter my number so that I can show you the actual message. Now let's click on save and send test request. And as you can see over here, message status is accepted, which means we'll receive our message in few minutes. Now let's go back to our WhatsApp account and check whether we have received a message or not. And as you can see over here, we have successfully received the message with the exact body content. Hello dummy user, we are always eager to connect with amazing people like you, whether you are interested in our latest product, exclusive offers, or just want to stay updated with what we are up to. Regards, demo user. Which means we have successfully connected our Facebook lead ads account with our WhatsApp Cloud API. Now let's go back to our Pabbly Connect account. We have set up our trigger and action applications and it was a successful workflow. So let's summarize this quickly. Here my trigger application is Facebook lead ads and my trigger event is new lead instant. Here my action application is WhatsApp Cloud API and my action event is send template message. And if you also want to send a WhatsApp message to your Facebook leads, then simply follow this two-step workflow. Hope this video was a helpful one. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, but you can also integrate many other applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, please reach out to us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any queries, please reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, please reach out to us at this website. If you find this video helpful in any way, please do not forget to share this video with your friends. And also please like our video and subscribe to our channel to learn more such automations.